Good morning guys! Samahan niyo kami today sa isang simpleng umaga dito sa caravan. Walang exciting na ganap. Just one of those ordinary mornings that honestly make up most of our life these days.
Store natin yesterday. At tapos na rin tayo sa red. We finished this yesterday. How to be happy. You must love me and other people with all your heart. You must not hurt or kill. You must love your family and be happy with the things you have.
At bago pa tuluyang maging busy ang araw, tinatry ko rin isingit ang konting quiet time to read the gospel.
It's for hand. I'm so. It's Mama wash this.
One thing I learned as a mama is that you take advantage of any free 5 minutes you can get. So habang busy ang anak ko, sinamantala ko na to get myself ready for the day. Mabilis ang skincare lang ito.
Anak, gusto mo ba lumabas?
We love spending time outside too, especially sa umaga at hapon kapag hindi pa sobrang init sa labas. Eventually, I did get around to the laundry. Living in a caravan definitely means you're always doing a little bit of organizing, cleaning, or washing something. It's just part of everyday life around here.
Kasha. Baka ito. Yan. na lang. Ah, iya-iyayaw pala. Si Mando, nolay na sa bukid. Iya-iyayaw.
At nung nagsawa na nga ang bata maglaro sa labas, pumasok na ulit kami sa loob ng caravan. Buti na lang na-entertain ko siya by singing some of his favorite songs habang naghuhugas ako ng dishes. Minsan talaga ang buhay nanay parang may kasamang live concert habang gumagawa ng chores. And then after singing, nag-request naman siya ng dancing, so nag-exercise muna kami. We're trying to be more consistent about moving our bodies here.
Stretch up. Down. Good job. 2, 1, stop, stop. Knees. Star. Knees. Star. Knees. Up. Down.
After mag-workout, hinayaan ko muna siya manood ng konting kid shows habang piniprepare ko ang baon ni Isaiah for tomorrow. At nag-fold na rin ako ng mga damit. Ang ganda ng view ko habang nagtitiklop oh. Alam niyo, grateful talaga ako sa mga simpleng moments na ganito. Dati pinagdadasal ko lang na magkaroon ng sariling pamilya, maging may bahay, magpalaki ng anak. Kaya ngayon, kahit ordinaryong araw lang sa caravan, na-appreciate ko pa rin yung mga maliliit na bagay na minsan madali nating matake for granted.
Ano po? Ano to? Orange. Ito. Apple. Apple. Ito? Cheese. Ayan ang snack mo. Orange, apple, and cheese. Sarap. Avocado.
At ayun, eventually nagutom na ang bata at nag-request na ng snacks. He really likes to be entertained while eating. That's why I'm either reading him a book or teaching him a little bit of something, like numbers or letters.
Anong pangalan mo? Ano pa? Nathan. How do you spell your name? Ang sunod. Ha? What's the last letter? Letter N. Nathan. Sino to? Nanay. Tatay. Ano ginagawa ni tatay? Kumakain ng ice cream. Sino to? Kuya. Kuya, eto. Ate. Kuya. Baby bunso. Parisakat. Bilog. Bilog ka pa. Hari ka pa. That's the lahok. Tama. Ano na? Sino yun? That's the lioness.
And also, he's absolutely obsessed with puzzles too. Naregaluhan namin siya nitong mga puzzle sets nung second birthday niya. And after a few days, na-figure out niya na agad kung paano sila buuin. Masasabi kong nagbana siya sa tatay niya sa part na yan.
Is it missing one? It's one. Mars. Happy Saturn.
Oh, happy Saturn. Tama. How about the sun? Happy ba ang sun? Ah, how about si Neptune? Happy ba si Neptune? No?
Happy Saturn.
Yes. How about si Uranus? Happy ba si Uranus?
Hi. Neptune. Venus. F. Mars. Jupiter. Adam. Saturn. You're so galing! Ang galing-galing!
And before lunchtime, we usually slow things down a little. We watch a mass together from home, which has become part of our routine whenever we're not able to attend in person. And that's pretty much what a normal morning looks like for us. Nothing extraordinary, just coffee, motherhood, homemaking, faith, and lots of toddler energy. Thank you guys for spending the morning with us. We'll continue the rest of the day in part 2.